Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Ford Fusion car battery. First, gather your essential tools, including a 10mm wrench and a battery terminal cleaner. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is engaged for safety. Remember to wear safety glasses and gloves to protect yourself from potential battery acid or sparks during the process. Now let's disconnect the old battery. Your Ford Fusion battery is typically found under the hood, but some models might have it in the trunk. Using your wrench, disconnect the negative terminal first, then the positive terminal. This prevents accidental short circuits. Finally, carefully remove any hold-down clamps or straps securing the battery in place. With the old battery out, it's time for the new one. Before placing it, clean the battery tray and terminals thoroughly to ensure good contact. Carefully place the new battery securely in its designated position. Now, connect the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal. Make sure all connections are tight and secure. You're almost done. Secure the new battery firmly with its hold-down clamp to prevent movement while driving. Apply a thin layer of anti-corrosion grease to both terminals to protect them and ensure a long-lasting connection. Finally, start your Ford Fusion to confirm everything is working correctly. Enjoy your freshly powered vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.